Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Okay, my name is Wenxi from Shenzhen Polytechnic University, and today I will be addressing the topic of TVET digital transformation with a special consideration on how artificial intelligence is impacting this evolving trend and what TVET can do. So my presentation title is TVET in the Intelligent Economy, Institutional Strategies for AI-Driven Digital Transformation. So in this presentation, I will start by highlighting the growing focus on AI in global and Chinese TVET policies. And then secondly, I will briefly contour the transformative impact of AI on education, employment, and the economy. And finally, I will be introducing some digital transformation strategies of our institution. So let's dive in. To begin with, I'm sure that everyone here is familiar with the UNESCO UNEVOC strategies. So in the newest strategy, we have seen a clear focus on the digital and green transition. And alongside, artificial intelligence now standing out as a new priority area in developing skills for inclusive and sustainable economies. So the strategy document states, and I quote, TVET institutions must develop a deeper understanding of the current and future applications of AI to inform the planning and design of TVET. So accordingly, in China, many recent policies on TVET from the central government level to local authorities have incorporated AI as a key focus. For example, at the central government level, there's a clear emphasis on leveraging AI to improve the quality and relevance of TVET, especially to prioritize TVET provisions in key emerging areas such as AI. So a lot of TVET institutions in China are offering AI programs nowadays. And secondly, in policies by the Ministry of Education, for example, there is a strong push for upskilling for AI competencies nationwide for all citizens, and also to strengthen employees' AI skills in the digitalized workplace. And in response to this, local governments are also taking concrete actions. For example, in our province, Guangdong province, where our institution is located, there is a recent action plan on digitalization, digital transformation. It focuses on using AI technologies to develop learning resources and also to develop teacher capacities and adaptabilities in AI skills. And also, very importantly, to explore how AI can be used to support rural education. Okay, next, let's explore how AI is driving transformations in different areas, starting with the educational landscape. For example, I think AI is driving transformations in a lot of aspects of education. For example, it is reshaping our educational objectives, focusing on more holistic development of students, including the cognitive, social, and emotional, and also ethical aspects. AI is also driving the renewal of curriculum across all the disciplines, and it is expanding learning spaces with these powerful self-paced learning tutoring systems. And it is also driving transformations in other areas like governance of the school, pedagogy, and entrepreneurship, and obviously international cooperation. So AI has become a global education priority, so it has driving closer international collaboration to tackle some previously unseen issues. So these transformations are just the beginning of what AI will bring to the education landscape in the coming years. So more closely to TVET, we are moving to the employment landscape. So AI is driving the changes in the labor market. And we can categorize AI-related jobs in the three categories, and they are very related to TVET. So firstly, there are jobs that are directly involved in the AI industry value chain. So in this value chain, there are jobs on these three levels of the AI industry, starting with the infrastructure layer, the technological layer, and the application layer. So many of these jobs on different layers that involve manufacturing, data management, system maintenance, and product services are closely linked to AI provisions. Secondly, many existing jobs are also being exposed by AI, and this includes jobs that can be augmented by AI, and also jobs that can be automated by AI. So automation is more of a complex issue. On the one hand, there are repetitive tasks that are being done by machines, leaving people to more higher level activities. However, it is also creating the problem of job losses. So it requires more reskilling and transition. And thirdly, AI is also creating some entirely new job categories, such as AI governance, AI education and training. So for these jobs, I think TVET has a big role to play by providing the reskilling and upskilling programs to help employees to navigate the changing labor market. And AI is not just transforming the labor market, it is much broader. So I think we can consider AI as not just a technology, but also a new economic and social paradigm that we can now call the intelligent economy. I think this is a more advanced stage of the digital economy that we have been talking about for years. So how to understand the intelligent economy? There are several features. So at its core, and it is driven by the high-level integration of new generation AI with other different technologies. So this high-level integration of this technology is a key feature. And the intelligent economy, it is also characterized by the deep integration of AI and the real economy. So this interaction is twofold. So on the one hand, AI itself is become industrialized with the rise of the AI industry. And on the other hand, AI is being applied to across various industries. So there are a lot of intelligent industries. So this two-way interaction is driving a new innovation and new solutions. Moreover, the intelligent economy emphasizes human-machine collaboration. So it's not just a risk of replacement, but more of a collaboration that we need to explore. And also, increasingly, we are talking about how we are moving towards a more sustainable and inclusive growth, and this is also the focus of the intelligent economy. So for TVET institutions, how to adapt to the intelligent economy, I'd like to take this opportunity to share with you some of the AI-driven digital transformation implemented by Shenzhen Polytechnic University. So here's an overview of the overall digital transformation strategies, and we have been implementing this for years. So there are a lot of strategies that can be categorized into 5 main groups. So firstly, we have adopted an institution-wide approach to digital transformation. So this includes, very importantly, optimizing our program structure. I will talk about that later, to dynamically align with the industrial needs, and also using data-driven and automated system for the management of the school, and continuously to invest in digital infrastructure. Secondly, we focused on the human-centered digital empowerment, that is to enhance the digital capacities of all members of our institution. Thirdly, we are driving a digital transformation in teaching and learning, and this includes, for example, to integrate digital and transversal skills into the learning objectives of all of our programs, and also to develop digital forms of curriculum, resources, and evaluation systems, and also promoting pedagogical innovation with the new tech. And fourthly, our school is very dedicated into digital technology R&D with the local industry, and also providing training services to the different groups of the local society. And lastly, we actively engage in international cooperation on digital capacity building, especially aiming at the developing countries that within our neighbor. So among these strategies, I'd like to focus particularly on our efforts to optimize the program structure for the dynamic alignment with the industry. I think this is definitely the most important part. So a key example of this development is our AI programs development, which directly addresses the challenges and opportunities, of course, of the intelligent economy. So the development of our AI programs within our school, and also other key emerging digital technology program follows this kind of rationale. So in this chart, you can see that this is a very rigorous process of investigation of the industry needs. So we start with industry analysis and job position analysis in order to identify the core knowledge and skills required in the AI industry. And also, as well as we are going to do the typical work scenario analysis, that is to understand the real world applications and challenges in the workplace. And then this informs the identification of learner development goals and professional competencies that we need to include in this curriculum. So this further guides the curriculum and overall program development. So throughout this process, we always maintain a strong focus on quality control. So we seek continuous feedback from the industry partners, our teachers and students. So this is a continuous cycle. And our AI program is not a single or isolated offering, but rather it is a cluster of different interrelated programs offered within our School of Artificial Intelligence. So this cluster approach allows us to cover a wide range of AI-related fields and technologies. As you can see from this graph, our AI program cluster consists of 7 distinct programs shown on the left. Each focusing on a specific area of AI technology and applications. So each of these programs is also developed in collaboration with one leading industry partner shown in the middle, that is the name of the company. So these partnerships ensure that our program is highly relevant to the real-world needs and challenges of the respective industries. And also, very importantly, the School of AI is supported by what we call a specialized industry college, which is co-established with an industry partner. So this industry college serves as a dedicated platform for deeper collaboration. So by fostering these links, we aim to create a comprehensive and dynamic learning ecosystem that spans the AI industry. And then building upon this strong foundation of our core AI system, core AI program, our university has developed a comprehensive AI program system that tends to expand the scope and impact of AI education across our institution. So this system includes 3 components. Firstly, we have our X+ AI programs. So these are designed to upgrade traditional programs in response to industry transformation and integration of AI technologies across various sectors. And these programs, they teach the students about the latest applications of AI into the existing processes and management practice and products design in their chosen field. And secondly, we offer what we call the AI plus X programs, which it is an interdisciplinary approach to combining AI with various domains. So these domains aim to cultivate a new generation of professionals who can effectively use AI technology to solve more complex problems in various sectors. So by bridging this gap between AI and other disciplines, our AI Plus programs can open up a wide range of new career opportunities for our students. And in addition, we have an AI general education curriculum for all students. So through this multifaceted program system, our university is committed to providing a holistic and also inclusive AI education for our students. Because the time is limited, so this is the last slide. So at this end of the presentation, I think it is very important to acknowledge the challenges, particularly the digital divide. And the digital divide exists on a national level, even a city level, and also, of course, global levels. So it is that there are many disparities that we have to recognize that hinder the ability for many groups to benefit from the potential of AI. Even if we talk about it every day, we need to realize our privilege in having that. So in addressing this challenge, I think cooperation is definitely key. And I think the theme of this workshop, digital capacity and connection, really resonates very well with our vision for the intelligent economy. As I mentioned, it is an future that we think that everyone should have the opportunity. It is, no one should be left behind in this technological change. Our institution is also looking forward for getting more connected with everyone here, and I think I want to thank TVET for that. And this is my first time to join this workshop. I learned a lot from everyone, so thank you. Let's work together towards a more inclusive, intelligent economy that is our shared future. Thank you.